Turn on the power switch. Enter the viewing interface. The large and small handles can be operated at the same time. The position on the left is the operation interface of the small handle. Position on the right is the operation interface of the big handle. What about the first row? It's an adjustment button for our operating time. The one on the right is minus. The one on the left is plus. So be it. It's also a big arm here. An adjustment of operating time. What about the one in the middle? It's a light switch. We have a total of 6 colors of lights. Then switch to a different one. A light. It's the same here. Then this is a toggle between positive and negative. This is an inversion. This is a forward rotation. Then this is also a switch between forward and reverse. What about the next 2 rows? The first row is an adjustment of one of our rotational speeds. On the right is the speed plus. The maximum speed in total is 9 gears. The following words are adjustments to the brightness of a light. If you add it, the brighter the light will be. The dimmer the light is. It's the same here. The highest we are in 9th gear. The highest light is also 9th gear. What about the bottom row? It's our start button. On the left is the beginning. Pause on the right.